Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the for loop. Loops are used in the programming to repeat a block of code until a specific condition is met. So the syntax for loop is this. For initialization, in initialization the statement like I is equal to 0 or count is equal to 0 comes. They are also called as the control variable, loop control variable. Then the next is test condition. Test condition, in this test condition the expression are like this: I is less than 10, or I is less than equal to 10, or count is less than equal to 10. Remember one thing, that I am talking in general. This I is one variable which is type of the integer and which we have declared a loop control variable. Then increment decrement statement are I plus plus, then I minus minus. These are the increment statement. Initially it will initialize that I is equal to 0. Then it will check the condition is I is less than 10. Then it will replace the value, that is 0 less than 10? Yes. Then it will execute the body of the loop. Then it will again increment the I. Then it will check that is 1 less than 10, because here after one execution the value of I become 1 due to this increment. Then I value become 1, then I is less than 10, that is 1 is less than 10. Yes. Then it will execute the body of loop. Then it will again increment the value of I, then the I value will become 2, and it will check that is 2 less than 10. Yes. Then it will again execute the body of for loop. So now the flow of execution of this for loop is: first it enters from here entry. Then first it initialize, that is I is equal to 0 or I is equal to something, or something variable is equal to something. That variable is called as loop control variable. Then it checks the condition, is that condition is true. If that condition is true, then it will execute the body of loop. Else, if that condition is false, it will not execute that body, and it will move to the statement X, that is next statement X. Okay. Then if the condition is true, first we have initialized I is equal to 0, suppose, and the test condition is that we want I should be less than equal to 10. Then 0 is less than equal to 10. Yes. Then it will execute the body of loop. Then after execution of the body of loop, it will move to the increment or the decrement. Then it will increment the value of I, that is value of I will become 1. Then it will check is 1 less than equal to 10. Yes. The condition is true. Again it will execute the body of loop. Then it will again increment the value of I. Again it go to the test condition and checks whether 2 is less than equal to 10. Again the body of loop will be executed. Again it will incremented up to when this test condition is getting false, the loop will be continuously executed. So we will see one program on it. Write a program to print 1 to 10 numbers using for loop. So this is the code in front of you. It will first initialize I is equal to 1. Then it will check that is 1 less than equal to 10. The condition is true. Then it will print the value of I, that is value of I is 1. Again it will move towards the increment. This time it will increment the value of I, that is I value will become 2, and it will check that is 2 less than equal to 10. Yes. Then it will print this condition is true. Then it will again move to the body of for loop, that is it will print the value of I, that is 2. Similarly it will print 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So next is nested loop, that is one for loop inside the another for loop. In this nested loop we are going to print this pattern, that is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this pattern we are going to print the numbers using nested for loop, that is one for loop inside another for loop. So the code is, this is the code. For I is equal to 1, I should be less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Inside that for loop, we have one more for loop. For j is equal to 0, j is less than equal to 1, j value will be incremented j plus plus, and we are printing the number over here. That is print percentage d and something I, j. So we will see the execution of it. First value, when I initially I will be equal to 1, and it will check that is I less than or equal to 5, is 1 less than equal to 5, yes. Then it will enter in this for loop, then it will assign the value of j is equal to 1 and check that whether j is less than equal to I, this is I, not 1, and it will check j is less than equal to I, that is j, that is 1, what value of j is 1, 1 less than equal to 1, yes. Then it will print the value of j, that is nothing but 1. Then again it will print /n, that is next line, our cursor will move over here. Then it will again increment the value of I, that is I value will become 2. It will check that is 2 less than equal to 5, yes. Then it will assign the value of j as 1. Then it will check that is j less than equal to I, that is 1 less than equal to 2, yes. Then it will print the value of j, that is the value of j is 1. Then again the value of j will be incremented, that is the value of j will become 2. Then it will check is 2 less than equal to 2, yes. Then it will again execute this for loop, then it will print the value of 2. Then again the value of j will be incremented, the value of j will become 3, and it will check is 3 less than equal to I, that is value of I is 2, is 3 less than equal to 2, false. Then it will move towards the printf/n, then the cursor will move to the next line. Similarly, the I value will be incremented, the I value will become now 3. Then it will check that is 3 less than equal to 5, yes. Then it will execute the inside for loop, that is it will assign the value of j is equal to 1, and it will check that is 1 less than equal to 3, that is j less than equal to I. Then it will execute that printf percentage dj, that is it will print the value of j, that is 1. Again the j value will become 2, is 2 less than equal to 3, yes. It will print 2. Again the j value will be incremented, then it will check the condition that j less than equal to I, that is 3 less than equal to 3, yes. Then it will again print 3. Then again the j value will be incremented, j value will become 4. Then it will check the condition is 4 less than equal to 3, so it is false. So it will execute the next statement, that is printf/n. So our cursor will be moved towards the next line. So again the value of I will be equal to 4, and initially j will be assigned as 1. First it will check the condition of I, that is 4 less than equal to 5, yes. Then it will assign the value of j as 1. Then it will check that is j less than equal to I, that is 1 less than equal to 4, yes. Then it will print the value of j, that is 1. Similarly it will increment the value of j as 2. Then it will check that is 2 less than equal to 4, then it will print the value of 2. Similarly the value of j will be incremented, the value of j will become 3, and it will check that is 3 less than equal to 4, yes. Then it will print 3. Similarly the value of the j will be incremented, the j value will become 4, and it will check that is j less than equal to I, that is 4 less than equal to 4, yes. Then it will print the value of 4. Then again the value of j will be incremented, the j value will become 5, and it will check that is j less than equal to I, that is 5 less than equal to 4, the condition is false, then it will print next line, that is slash n. The cursor will be moved to the next line. So for this line, you try to solve it yourself, how that this code works. So next we will discuss the additional features of for loop. Suppose this is the code, and you can also write this as for p equal to 1 comma n equal to 0 semicolon n should be less than equal to 17 n plus plus. That is, instead of writing p equal to 1 outside that for loop, you can write as this also. Another thing, if you want an infinite loop, you can just give the for loop as this, for, and this 2 semicolon over. This is an infinite loop, that is never ending loop. Another thing is that you can also do increment or decrement section like this also, that is p comma n equal to 0. Similarly, you can also do over here if you want to increment p value also, so you can also do n plus plus comma p plus plus over here. Okay, that's are the additional features of the for loop.